Good evening and welcome to another exciting episode of Exciting Thunder Cycling. It's me, RVC, my video series, Shooting Mines from the summertime for mountain biking. I'm going to show you another series, except Shooting Mines again, except it's going to be fat biking in the wintertime. So I'm going to show you a video of each part, and each video is going to show you a small part of the trail system. I'm going to break it all down so you have an idea what each trail looks like. First part you see here is the Trowbridge Campground, and this is where you start your ride. As I'm going to show you the conditions are like in wintertime. The trails are usually groomed and packed by the trail maintenance crews. So big thanks to all the volunteers who maintain these trails. The first trail we're showing is just off the walking path at Trowbridge. Take a moment now to watch and explore. Thanks so much for watching this moment of exciting thunder cycling. Now you've seen the first part of the trail system. Part 2 will be about the conveyor belt that takes you right to the point of Shooting Mines. Stay tuned to part 2, and thank you for your time, and have a good day.